Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we are going to look at how to prove the equation we are seeing on the screen. Before we begin, if you are new to my science tutorials, kindly consider subscribing and pressing that notification button so that you don't miss any of our latest tutorials on biology, chemistry, mathematics, and physics. So let's go ahead. So we are to prove that tan square theta minus sine square theta is equal to sine raised to the power 4 theta sec square theta. So let's go ahead and see the proof. So let's begin with what? Tan squared theta minus sine squared theta. This is equal to, we know tan theta is equal to what? Sine theta over what? Cos theta. So which means tan squared theta will be equal to what? Sine squared theta cos squared theta. So this is equal to what? Sine squared theta over what? Cos squared theta minus what? Now, another way of representing sine squared theta is, we know that what? Cos squared theta plus what? Sine squared theta is equal to 1. So which means 1 minus what? Cos squared theta is equal to what? Sine squared theta. So in place of what? Sine squared theta, we can write what? 1 minus what? Cos squared theta over there. So we go ahead and simplify. The LCM for this is what? Cos squared theta. This will go here 1 times sine squared theta will give us what? Sine squared theta minus the LCM over here is 1 will go here, cos squared theta. So we have cos squared theta multiplying what we have in the bracket, 1 minus what? Cos squared theta. Okay, so from here we can see that we can express this whole thing as what? Sine squared theta minus cos squared theta into bracket 1 minus cos squared theta multiplied by 1 over what? Cos squared theta is still the same. Okay, so it means if we multiply everything here by this, we are going to get what we have at the top over here. So from here we can say that sine squared theta over here, sine squared theta minus what? We have cos squared theta into bracket. Now we know that 1 minus cos squared theta is what? Sine squared theta. So we have sine squared theta over here multiplied by the 1 over what? Cos squared theta. Now we have over here, we can see that we have what? Sine squared theta common over here. So we factor out what? Sine squared theta. Then we will have what? 1 minus what? Cos squared theta. So if we expand this, we sine squared theta times 1 will give us sine squared theta minus sine squared theta times cos squared theta will give us what? Cos squared theta sine squared theta, multiplied by 1 over what? Cos squared theta. So we know what? Sine squared theta we have over here. Now 1 minus what? Cos squared theta is sine squared theta again. So we write here sine squared theta multiplied by 1 over what? Cos squared theta. So let me use this side. Now from here we can see that we have sine squared theta multiplied by sine squared theta will give us what? Sine raised to the power 4 theta multiplied by 1 over what? Cos squared theta. But 1 over what? Cos squared theta is equal to what? Sec squared theta. So we have what? Sine raised to the power 4 theta multiplying what? Sec squared theta as required of us by the question. So this is how we go around proving that tan squared theta minus sine squared theta is equal to this, or this is the proof of what? Tan squared theta minus sine squared theta. So thank you so much for watching, and then I'll see you in the next video. Before you leave, if you are not yet a subscriber for my science tutorials, kindly consider subscribing and pressing that notification button. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.